All right, so now we've done all this work here to create this piece here, or to add this portion to our part. And if you notice here, this is the exact same thing. And we could go through all of that again, or we can just copy this over by using the pattern, the mirror pattern feature. And this is a feature that we've used. We had to use this in the part one tutorial uh, to duplicate a hole, but now we're actually duplicating a whole fillet feature and an extrusion, and you can see how useful this feature this particular feature is going to be here, because it would be time consuming to do this all over again. But before we can mirror this, we need a plane that we can mirror this across. So I'm going to use add a plane here, and I'm going to select mid plane between two parallel planes. Okay, so basically I'm going to create a middle plane in between two planes that are parallel. So here's one plane, left click, and then as I scroll over here toward this edge here, you can see that this, actually I can spin it around, make it easier for you to see. I'm on the, go over here to the left side, all right, and then when I click on the left side, it puts a plane right in the middle of my part here. Okay, so that is the uh, mid plane in between two parallel planes feature. And so now I have something that I can use as a mirror. So I'll go over to mirror, and when you select mirror, the first thing that it wants you to select is the features that you want to duplicate. So what are the features? We know one of them is it's this hole here, right? Another one is this drawing here, or this extrusion here, right? And let's see that, hopefully it's selected. Everything you see in the dashed lines here, that's what's going to let me get this back right. That's what's going to, excuse me for a second. That's what's going to get duplicated on the opposite side. So I have, and you notice that it selected the, basically this drawing part and then the hole, but I also want to make sure I select the chamfer feature too. Okay, so now I got everything that I want, and then the uh, mirror plane. Now I'm ready to do the mirror plane, and so I want to select the plane that I want to mirror. All right, so in this case, here's the plane. All right, and you want to click, like, make sure you hover your mouse over here toward the edge where you see these little yellow circles pop up. Left click it, and so you can see the preview of what is going to be mirrored on the opposite side. Go ahead and click on OK. And so now, all right, let's go back to the home feature. So now we have, our the second side now. All right. You got the chamfer, you got the hole. So we don't have to go through sketching and adding a hole and all that. It just saves us a little bit of work there. So right click. Actually, let's go over to this work plane, right click on it, and then turn off the visibility for now.